youngsters will be visiting, a lot of school children will be visiting. And children are excited about these diggers. So it will be very good for them to sort of first see all these machines. And I'm sure it will create this whole interest in not only science, engineering, and also, many times we talk about our growth towards Vikasit Bharat. Now, last few years you have seen that our growth in economy has come through the fantastic work done by the services sector. And I feel I'm sitting in the Makkah of services sector. What Bangalore has done or contributed is amazing. But I think time has come for the manufacturing sector. If India has to really grow, the manufacturing sector's contribution is going to be very, very important. And XCon is an event which showcases the manufacturing prowess of our country to the world. So from that point of view, it becomes a very important session. I mentioned that this industry has been really focusing on, first of all, improving the fuel efficiency. So the machines that, again I give JCB's example, this year the new machines we have introduced are between 14 to 15% more fuel efficient. And in last 10 years, we have improved the fuel efficiency of machine of 40%. So that is so far as the fossil fuels are concerned. But last year also we had introduced the hydrogen machine. This year we are trying to introduce a hydrogen genset. During this conference, you will see a lot of electric reloading shovels and other excavators also. So the industry is very responsible. It is not only looking at one sector, but it is looking at multiple sectors and providing solutions. And with the National Hydrogen Mission, you will appreciate the importance because it has come from the highest authority in the country. So as the ecosystem for hydrogen develops in the country, the industry is also getting ready with the hydrogen products. It's like a festival for construction equipment. We are more than 1,250 exhibitors with participants from 20 countries, with 7 country pavilions. We expect more than 1 lakh visitors, and it is literally an exhibition of who's who of the industry. You will see technologies from the OEM partners, from the supply chain, the whole ecosystem is there. And more importantly, last few years we have seen XCon develop as not only India's largest construction equipment show, but also amongst the top 5 globally. So it's a huge opportunity for the industry.
And for the local MSMEs, why they should participate and why they should visit this?
A very good question. I think it's a great opportunity for MSME partners to meet the OEM partners from around the world. Also engage with people with whom they can collaborate and develop partnership, and then motivate companies from outside to have a JV with them to invest in India. So these opportunities are also there.
Thank you so much, sir.